So I've been working through the travel set I purchased from Alexandria Fragrances. It's 4 10 ml travel sprays. They look like this. You get to pick the fragrances when you go on the website. They come in like this. And I was about to finish Afternoon Splash. Hope you guys can see this, but I wanted to make sure I made a video, talked about it with you guys, compared it to Louis Vuitton's Afternoon Swim. We'll get into it. I don't want to spoil anything. So just to show you kind of what bottles actually look like. I know some of you guys are curious. Here's a 100 ml bottle. Here's a 30 ml bottle in this kind of new style right here. And then also I can show you a 30 ml and a 55 ml in one of those other styles there. So just so you have an idea of the presentation and the bottles, right? These are not Afternoon Splash. They're just other fragrances that I love. Afternoon Splash, we're going to cut right to the chase. It is identical to Louis Vuitton's Afternoon Swim. Even going a step further, it is, there you go, it is the best inspiration of Louis Vuitton's Afternoon Swim. On the market right now, the best inspiration of Afternoon Swim. No one's telling me to say this. No one knows I'm making this video. I'm just helping you guys out. That is my honest thoughts here. The best. The absolute best. And blind buy worthy if you know the Afternoon Swim scent profile. But Afternoon Splash, what they did here is they captured that mandarin orange, Sicilian orange, just a bitter orange blend mixed with bergamot, other citruses, and salt and aquatic nuances. They captured that vibe perfectly. If you do not want to spend 400 plus Canadian for Afternoon Swim, depending on what province you're in, you know, us in Ontario, here in Toronto, we pay 13% tax. If you don't want to pay that, I think despite everything going on with duties and tariffs and shipping and this and that, I still think even dollar per mil quality, it makes sense to actually pick up Afternoon Splash. That is just my honest thoughts. That's what I think. But let's break this down. So if you don't know the scent profile, you don't know about maybe performance, about how to wear it, compliment factor, I'm going to break down everything from Afternoon Splash's point of view, which, spoiler alert, is pretty much a one-for-one scent profile accuracy to Afternoon Swim by Louis Vuitton. So to start, when you first spray this fragrance, it comes across musky with a whole bunch of citrus. So you're going to get this almost aldehydic oceanic musk with tons of citrus, orange, bergamot, and a lot of fresh, bright summer citrus nuances. The orange is prominent though, touch bitter, a lot of orange sparkling right in the opening with almost a sprinkle of a light salt. The opening of Afternoon Splash. So I give a lot of forgiveness with a lot of Middle Eastern brands and other inspiration brands even based in America. I give a lot of forgiveness with the opening, right? Okay, give it 30 seconds, just let it sit, give it a minute, let's see how it goes. The opening of Afternoon Splash is almost one for one with the opening of Afternoon Swim. It is scary close. So not only did they do a good job right in the opening, but of course, as it develops 10, 20, 30 seconds into the fragrance, you're getting a very, very accurate scent profile. So again, if you guys don't know what type of scent profile this is, it's very summer fresh, very orange dominant, the orange first, almost like an orange peel or an orange rind, then with a little bit of other citruses, more of the sour aspect of a bergamot, maybe a touch of lime, touch of salt, and then of course you're gonna get those musks and those aldehydes to give it an aquatic feel. The scent profile as a whole is like a perfect kind of summer 10 out of 10 blue fragrance that's going to be mass appealing. And it's an incredibly safe blind buy. With the 30 ml bottles anyways, these smaller guys, you can get maybe on sale on discount close to 10 of these size bottles for the price of a Louis Vuitton fragrance. I'm talking Canadian dollars anyways, however that shakes up in the US, maybe 6 or 7 bottles worth. So it depends what you want to spend. I mean, of course, having the real thing's always better in my opinion. It's cool, it's nice, but when you can get like multiple X times fragrance bottles for the price of one and it smells the same, it's hard to pass up. So it's a good scent profile regardless. It is blind buy worthy, most definitely. Performance of Alexandria's is better than the performance of Louis Vuitton's, unless something's happened, you know, last quarter rather, 2025, with the reformulations of Afternoon Swim. Afternoon Splash by Alexandria is actually the better performer. It's the better performer. It's still not a beast. On my skin, Afternoon Splash is still just sitting right around that 6 to 7 hour mark. Some people get 8 to 10. I think that's great. That's amazing. For me, right around 6 to 7 of solid, strong projection, of course, on clothing 12 plus hours at the end of the day. But I'm not going to complain about that. For such a citrus summer type of fragrance to get solid, like good performance at the 6 to 7 hour mark, I'm happy. It's a skin scent, you know, hour 7, 8, and 9. Yes, you can still smell it around those hours, but you have to get real close. So if I have to do this and say, yeah, I can still smell it there, yes, it is lasting 8, 9, 10 hours, but comfortably to get compliments right around 6 to 7. That's just me on my skin. A lot of people say they get more, which is great. So it's a good performer. Projection, that portion of the performance, I'd give it about 1.5 feet. So you're not going to fill up a room, you're not going to annoy people, but certainly when you walk by someone, when you pass someone, you guys probably already noticed this. If you have this fragrance, people are going to compliment you and notice. And this is the quintessential compliment getting scent profile, right? You know Louis Vuitton Afternoon Swim, it works. These are the types of scent profiles that people just like. They smell nice in the air, they're magnetic, they're uplifting, they're pleasant. They almost kind of make the person smelling the fragrance a little happy, like smell good, clean, put together, refined, right? In control. It gives those vibes of confidence while still smelling mass appealing and youthful in a way where you can wear this as a teenage dude. You can wear this in your 20s. It doesn't smell dated, mature, which there's nothing wrong with that. It's just approachable and accessible for younger dudes out there. So I do think it's a great scent profile. Any indoor event in the winter or fall, you can wear this. You're gonna smell clean and fresh. I recommend it. Definitely recommend it for office wear. I think you'll smell great, but it excels and shines and complements the summer weather, the hot heat, the outside going to the beach, outside at a patio in the middle of summer, right? Going out to the bars, clubs, house parties, but it's hot outside. Maybe it's a little muggy, humid, sun's out. That's the vibe with Afternoon Splash. That's the vibe. But I do think fundamentally you can wear it however you'd like. Dressed up, dressed down, and you can wear it any season. You can wear it in the winter. I just think as the season gets colder, maybe wear it indoors for sure. And in the summer, it doesn't have to be a formal event too. You can spray it in the morning, go run errands. I mean, 7 a.m. and it'll smell phenomenal. It's a great scent profile. So overall, this is a good fragrance. So if you just want to get out of this video, okay, I like Afternoon Swim. I'm considering a whole bunch of inspiration brands. Should I do Afternoon Splash by Alexandria? Yes. Yes, you should. Absolutely, you should. You can blind buy it right now. You will not be disappointed. Like, you won't. The amount of compliments I get wearing this from random people is bananas. It doesn't even make sense. Going to the gym, going to the drive-thru, literally like them sticking their head out of the car, just saying, you smell good, can you please come back again? Like, literally that happened. That's what people do. The list goes on. It's a compliment getter. Totally recommend it. So I hope you guys appreciated this review. Those are my thoughts on Afternoon Splash by Alexandria. I know I just have the sample here, but that's why I tried to show you guys some bottles. I do recommend it. I think the quality is there. It is, to date, the best Afternoon Splash inspiration I've tried. It's Alexandria's, and it's just objective, and it is what it is. I have an Alexandria Fragrances playlist. Feel free to check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video.